We'll guide you through how to share Dropbox files effortlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Dropbox.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, you'll see the list of your files and folders. Navigate to the file or folder you want to share. Hover over it, and you'll notice a Share button on the right side. Click on it. A sharing window will pop up. Here, you can directly enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the file with. If you want more control, you can use the settings icon next to the email field to choose whether they can edit or just view. After entering the emails and setting the permissions, click Send. The recipients will receive an email with a link to the file or folder. Alternatively, if you prefer to share a link, click on the Copy Link option in the sharing window. It will generate a link that you can paste anywhere, like in a chat or email. Remember, you can adjust the link settings by clicking the Link Settings icon, allowing you to set passwords or expiration dates for added security. Once you've customized your link settings, just copy the link and share it. Dropbox also lets you see who has viewed or edited the files, which is handy for tracking collaborations. That's it. You've successfully shared your Dropbox files. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.